bitches!
Young Will drip too much flavor.
Hey Siri, what does copycat mean?
Copycat is an informal and derogatory term. It means, especially in children's use, a person who copies another's behavior, dress, or ideas.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so, Red Star,
Yes.
let me ask you something that the whole world wants to know. Why do these bitches be copying you?
Is that a serious question?
Oh yeah.
Because they copycats. These bitches is copycats.
And there you have it. They're copycats.
The Godfather. Copy, paste, enter, delete. Copycats, these bitches copycats. They copy this, and they copy that. Copycats, these bitches copycats. They copy this, and they copy that. I got Benny on my feet when I'm stepping in these streets. I go crazy on the beat. Go crazy, talking, go to sleep. All that talking shit is cheap. You wanna talk? I charge a fee. Gucci shades just to see they throwing shade all at me. I'm getting paid through the week like a slave, bitch. I'm free. My hair slayed, I'm on fleek. Check my page just to see. How the kicks about a G. Might go back some property. Diamond jumping off of me. Red star, who hot as me? Copycats, these bitches copycats. They copy this, and they copy that. Copycats, these bitches copycats. They copy this, and they copy that.
You know I got bitches that shit 100. I don't talk to no nigga out here moving onions. All these niggas on copycat shit. I was out here putting niggas on links. Oh, damn nigga got a whole collection. I don't fuck with bitches that's always doing extra. Bags in, nigga get extra. Can't love no bitch, I don't treat a bitch special. Copycat. Pulled up, ask Mark Farrell, got my flow mad. Another bitch in, goddamn get more cash. California bitch get the check, got no ass. Put her on method for the punch, she gon' copy that. Said she got a bag for a nigga, bitch, roger that. Fly ass nigga, I'm friends with the pilot. Can't copy this drip, baby, motherfucker stylish.
Copycats, these bitches copycats. They copy this, and they copy that. Copycats, these bitches